Mystery bundle time. Mystery bundle time. Mystery bundle time. What's up, Backpage? It's your girl, Rockstar Rochelle, your virtual 31 consultant right here on YouTube. And this is part 2 of that 31 haul that I totally debuted a few days ago. So thanks for coming back. If you're loving everything 31, make sure you hit that subscribe button, become a part of this tribe, and call yourself a bag babe. Of course, give this video a big like because you girls know you love your mystery bundles. I get a ton of likes for these mystery bundle reveals. And feel free to share this with friends and family. Now you girls know we are having a ton of fun on this channel all of summer. We have our summer outlet catalog and our spring catalog together, which you girls can totally shop from. And if you're loving something in there, don't forget to get into my monthly mystery hostess, which I put the link down below, and getting a chance to earn all of this month's rewards. For June, we are doing a thermal giveaway because you girls wanted it, and I'm adding a goodie in it every time I hit a $100 mark. And girls, we are off to an awesome start. So let's go ahead and dive into the mystery bundle. Ladies, if you don't know about these mystery bundles, the only way you can get one of these $25 mystery bundles is if you become an insider. And there are tons of ways of how you can become an insider. Talk to me, or if you're working with a consultant, ask them, how do I become an insider? How do I get this $25 mystery bundle? Because girls, it is never a disappointment because these bundles usually retail at $75 or more. So if you are a girl who just loves 31, loves surprises, the mystery bundle is calling your name. Now, if you're a gal who are like, I don't know if I like surprises, I need to know what's in that mystery bundle before I get it. Maybe this is not so much for you because girls, even as a consultant, I don't even know what's in this mystery bundle. If you are not liking what's in here, you can totally add it to your gifting stash and send it to someone who needs a little happy mail. Now, the easiest way to get one of these is, a party of one. And that's basically me creating a shopping link for you. So if you're going on a shopping spree because you're loving everything in the catalogs of $200 or more, just let me know. I'll create you a shopping link and then you'll get this bad boy all to yourself. That is what I call a Diva Insider shopping spree for one. All right, let's go ahead and dive it. So this says ready for the big reveal. Time to find out what's on the in your mystery bundle. Again, I got this as for $25, becoming an insider, and it is worth $75 or more. This is mystery bundle 191. Most of our mystery bundles have a number. I have noticed that in the white packaging, they tend to be the newer, most current prints. But if you get a pink one, they tend to be the retired or older prints. Mystery bundle, check it out right here up above. And I also put a playlist at the end. It was a pink one and it was like a retired print that most of you girls totally love. So let's go ahead and see what if my theory is right. Busting out the trauma shears. Oh, this one's even better. It already has a perforated. I love this because then I can get to use it again. Actually, I do need a big bag. Oh my God, this is perfect because I need a big bag to ship all your goodies, girls. Okay, I don't know what it is. I don't know what it is. I don't know what it is. Is it a good one? Is it a good one? One thing about these mystery bundles, I know I keep talking, is that 31 does above and beyond trying to create a theme for it, whether it be color, a season, pattern. So let's go ahead and take a look. Totally right. Oh my gosh, girls. It is the Vista print. It is a current pattern. I got 3 things. Okay, let's go ahead and dive into it. It looks like I got 2 small utility totes. Oh my gosh. Who cannot have enough of these small utility totes? Girls, there are some small utility totes in the outlet sale. I'll put that in the link down below. And some current product small utility totes. There is a bundle discount. If you do not know, you can get 2 of these for $50. And that will unlock your rewards at your 50% reward. Boom. Small utility tote. This is a large utility tote, but miniature size. Actually, that's a tiny utility tote. But Smaller size. I love about these is that it has a pocket in the front, so you can stick like you're all about the Benjamins or your keys or something in the front. Has a sturdy cable wiring up above. Canvas straps for durability. So ladies, I got 2 of this in the Vista print. I love this. Summer is calling. And let's see what else I got. Oh my gosh, I got a large utility tote in it, girls. Speaking of large utility tote, oh my goodness. This is a good bundle. Ta-da! Large utility tote, our #1 product for 31. If you girls need something to shop for someone, or if you're watching this, you're like, what should I get from 31? Since I've never been a 31, since I don't know anything about 31, you can never fail on the large utility tote. You can never have too many things because you could put a ton of things in it, okay? So that is the big mystery reveal. This one is a good one. Mystery bundle 191. I am so happy. Again, girls, subscribe for more fun on this channel. Check out my latest video. Here's some playlists on the mystery bundles, and here's another playlist for you to check out. Take care, ladies, and I'll see you Saturday. Bye.